After the review, there was not enough epic pulls in my previous video, therefore my final decision: open ball football cards and penalty for Argentina. Okay, so this time we have 2 mega multipacks, a booster tin, and we're gonna top it off with a random Club World Cup booster pack. There's a lot to unbox, so let's get straight into it with the mega multipack. This time we must get some epic pulls, because last time it was not great. I mean, we got Ronaldo and Messi, but after further review, they were not the rare ones. They were like a scuffed Ronaldo and Messi. This time we're gonna get the epics. So, special pack first, with the special cards. Ooh, AC Milan. And it's gonna be Ruben Loftus-Cheek, Lois Openda, and Barcelona there, Lutsarel Gertruida, okay, and Pedri. So, that was the first special pack. Let's get into the boosters. Odilon, Luis, Rafael Leao. This is Portugal player, I think. He was playing with Ronaldo, but unfortunately, they didn't win. They didn't pass the ball to Ronaldo enough. Okay, they were just playing around. Tottenham. Oh, we found some rares. What is this? PSG forward Barcola. Nice. Ooh. Trophy Triumph, Fernando Torres from Chelsea. And we have Ferguson, man of the match. So, some nice rares to begin with. Next pack. Let's hope to get Messi or Ronaldo. Pacho. Jonathan Tah. Okay, interesting name. Veerman. Todd Cantwell, Eric Dier, Luis Diaz, Dembele. Ooh, he's a great player, but they didn't beat Spain. 0 goals, how is it possible? I don't know. Diego Costa, more from Portugal, Ronaldo's teammate. Salzburg and Real Madrid. Nice. Man of the match, what is this guy? Pedro Gonzalez or something like that. So this pack, not so great. By the way, comment below who do you think is going to win the World Cup. Is it gonna be Spain or Argentina? Personally, I'm hoping for Spain, because Argentina, they have been doing some fishy things recently with the referees and stuff like that. I don't know what's going on with them, but Spain, please save us from Argentina winning 2 times in a row. Okay, who is this guy? I don't know. Trap. It's a trap. Ooh, we have something good. Kevin De Bruyne. Limited edition platinum pull. This one looks like a rare card. Is it the player from Netherlands or something? No, it's a Belgian player, I think. Well, not sure. I don't know. Comment below. Is this rare? Platinum pull. Never seen this before. I think it is. Wow. And then we have Henry. Great retired player. Not retarded, I mean retired player. And yeah, I think this is just regular card. I don't know why it's shiny. One more from here. Juventus. Chelsea. Damn, I think my camera angle is scuffed. Let me fix it. It's hard to hold it in my hands. Like, I don't know. It's blocking the light and stuff like that. This whole unboxing has been scuffed. Sorry about that. So, now we can continue. PSG. I have to get better filming setup or something, because I feel like it's scuffed. What do you think? Comment below. Is this good or not? This one looks like good. no. Ciro Immobile. Well, it's nicely shaped, but I don't know this player, so let's just put it here. Chelsea guy. And yeah. Why are the Real Madrid cards all like shiny like this? Is it because they won the championship or something? I don't know. Well, that was the first Mega Multipack, so we got a lot of cards, but not so great cards. The Platinum pool was great, in my opinion, but let's go on to the next one. The booster tin. This one is gonna be epic, I think, because you get this tin where you can easily collect, like you can put the cards here, the special ones. So that's gonna be good. Let's open it, and it's just the one single pack. And then you get this. Nice. So this is like super thick booster pack. Let's see what we get. Ooh. So it comes with this special Leroy Sane Showman. So this is rare limited edition, and this is rare limited edition. So 3 cards to put in the rare bundle. Then it's gonna be a bunch of normal cards, I think. Yeah. I wonder why some of them are upside down, like. What's up with that? What did they do at the factory? Let's go fast, because there's nothing good here anyway. It doesn't matter if they're upside down, you can still see them. Juventus, Chelsea, Barcelona, Tottenham, Bayern München. And now it's like backwards. Suddenly they changed to backward. What's up with this? PSV, is this from Holland? Netherlands team, I think. Bruno Fernandes. This guy also played Ronaldo. And then it passed Ronaldo, so they lost the World Cup. Okay, we have Karim Konate, forward from RB Salzburg, Red Bull team. Ooh, Kevin De Bruyne again. Yeah, it was Belgium. Now there's a map. I'm the flag. So we have 2 Kevin players. That's good. And 2 Ashley Cole as well from Chelsea. So a lot of duplicates. And this one also duplicate. Okay. This one also duplicate. What's up with that? Isn't this one also duplicate? This is like resealed pack. There's no way I get the same cards again. Vintage Whites, Ricardo, something. So that was the booster tin. And now we have this random Panini Adrenaline XL Club World Cup. It's funny to open this during the actual World Cup, but yeah. Inter Milan. And okay, who is this? Why is there no logo here? Is this like a coach or something? I don't know. Who is this guy? What team is he playing for? No idea. Comment below if you know. Some Argentinian player, and there's the code if you want it. Then we have like, yeah, just this Club World Cup is really a crappy booster pack. There's never anything good about it. Throw it away. So, on to the final Mega Multipack we go. And we haven't got anything good yet. Only 1 platinum pull. I don't know the value, but comment below if you know. Here we go. It's empty. And should we save the specials for later? Yeah, let's save the specials for later. This is gonna be the last one we open. Harry Kane. Sorry for the World Cup, but your coach really chose a bad strategy against Argentina. Like, you go 1-0, then you just start defending. That's not gonna work. That's not how you win the games. They should keep pushing. They just let Argentina like attack, shoot goals, Of course they're gonna lose like that, so what they were doing, I don't know. They even substitute the player who scored the first goal, so he had the hype, he had the momentum. Still, they didn't like keep him on the field. Okay, we have a golden Real Madrid. This one looks good. Let's put it in a rare pile. And man of the match, so nothing great from that one. PSV, okay. Juventus, Chelsea, Atalanta, okay, Italian team. Aston Villa. Are they gonna win Premiership next year? Let's see. Rodrigo. And again, just man of the match. These cards, I don't think they're so rare. And why is the Real Madrid always like shiny? No idea. It must be because they win the championship or something. So they did give them special cards. Okay. Let's just go fast. These beginning cards always... Ooh, Lewandowski. Great player. Gustav. Okay. What, is it the third one? Fernando Torres. I think it is. And the same one again, man of the match. We just got this before. And we got this one also now third time. How is this possible? Unbelievable. This is like... these packs are scam. What's up with this? Well, wait, this is the last one of the regular packs, so... We haven't done so well in this yet. Please, guard pack on the last one. Okay. Barcelona, Golden RB Leipzig. Man of the match. And we have some Gary Lineker vintage vibes, so not great. We have to get special Ronaldo or Messi now here. Let's see what we get. Special cards, please. Give me something good. Okay, team is not great. Oscar Gloak. Juventus, Ronaldo? No. Kenan Yitzdill or something. This is Frankfurt. Oh, Holland. This is gonna be Holland, okay. I know it. I know it's gonna be Holland. Omar Marmoush. Indeed. Please, Holland. Okay, we have to get Holland. Let's go slowly. No, this one is not Holland. It's Phil Foden. Damn. We didn't get any great cards. We only got the crappy ones. Let's see. So, this big pile of actual crap. I don't know. Comment below if any of these are rare. I know that these limited edition cards may be worth something because they don't sell it anymore. But I mean, vintage wipes, I checked them. It's like 50 cents. And Trophy Triumph. I got Messi Trophy Triumph. And it's like €1. And we all got the same guy only. Like, who is this guy even? What did they win? Europa Cup? Nobody cares. The only good card I think is this one. Platinum Pool, Kevin De Bruyne. And this one also, Kevin De Bruyne. Yeah. That was the last of my football cards. I had to open them during the World Cup to get the hype, to get the views. But my last video only got like 100 views, so I don't expect to get much from this one either. But thanks for watching and subscribe for more trading card unboxing videos. I have Pokemons, then I have like, well, yeah, here's the Trophy Triumph card last time, and I even put this on sleeves, but I think it was waste of time. Like, there's nothing great here. The sleeve might be more worth than the actual card sometimes. So yeah, subscribe, like the video, and I see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.